Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Learn Tajweed in English language. Dear students, as you know, there are 3 rules to reading the alphabet. First of all, for a letters that has 2 syllables, read it with a slight stretch, like ba, ta, sa. And second is the letter which has 3 syllables. Write twist and read it. For example, Jim, Noon, Ain. And third is read Alif and Hamza without stretching. For example, Alif, 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 Hamza, Hamza, Hamza. And my dear students, today we will read the makhraj of Jim. How do you say? When the middle of the tongue is close to touching the palate or roof of the mouth. For example, Jim, Jim. My dear students, remember it. Don't touch the edge of the tongue. When you will touch the edge of the tongue, you say jha, jim. Don't say jha. It's not a jha. Touch the middle of the tongue and say ja, ja, ja. Let's take a more and practice them. Aj, 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 ja, je, jo, ja, je, jo, ja, je, jo. And then we have Jan, Jin, Jun. Jan, Jin, Jun. Jan, Jin, Jun. For example, Aj, Ajali, Ajali, Ajali. Ja, kharaja, kharaja, kharaja. Ji, minal jinnati, minal jinnati, minal jinnati. Jo, kharaju, kharaju, kharaju.